welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. My name is Cash, like money. Today is going to be a day in the life of a lash tech. It's usually every weekend. I'm just going to show you guys a day in the life of what I do. So if you want to see, please keep watching. Before you do that, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the glam fam. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. Let's get into the video, shall we? Alright guys, so I did do some updates to my lash suite. I wanted to show you guys like a mini tour. If you want a full new updated lash room tour, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and I will be glad to show you in depth my updated room. It's giving very pink, very girly, it's giving what it needs to give.
Of a girl who refused to pay for her lashes, so the lash tech would cut all of her lashes off.
I saw that. I was wondering if that was real, because I was like, how the hell did she get her lay back down? How'd she get her lay back down? If somebody told me I would not lay back down, so how did she get her lay back down? She was like, oh, okay, let me just fix something and cut them. Like, what the heck? Oh my gosh, I saw that. That is really like, that's a lawsuit. That's okay. You just cut them right. You should cut off her natural lashes too, not just the extensions. That's like, like if she can't pay them and she wants them that bad, I'll just let her walk away and just like never do her lashes again. To be honest, like why? That's true. This is my client Kitty. We are doing a hybrid set on her. She had a wedding to go to. I love doing her lashes because she has a ton of lashes and they always look so full. So her hybrids almost look like a volume set because she has so many lashes, and the sets always turn out great and her pictures turn out perfect.
Learn about the Gabby case the whole time.
Really? So I've heard briefly about it. Like, what is that? Like, I just seen where she's like in the police car, like talking to a police officer.
Oh, she disappeared and her boyfriend came back without her. And they couldn't find her. And then they found her body and she was dead. And they were trying to figure out what the cause was. They said that she didn't like fall or anything, so it definitely was like somebody who killed her. And then he went missing. Oh. And they can't find him, but now Dog the Bounty Hunter is like very close to finding him. Like the FBI couldn't find him, the local police couldn't find him. So like now it just looks bad on him, and like his family, yeah, and his family is like messing around with the evidence, and like their house is all like evidence, and they're messing around with it, and they're bringing stuff to him, and it just looks really bad.
So, but like, wait, wasn't she like interviewed like before she went missing?
Yeah, they had like a domestic violence case.
Oh, okay.
Like, he was being like,
she was alive when I saw the video.
Yeah, no, that was a domestic violence case. Like, apparently, like, before the incident, like, the people who saw them, he was hitting her, and she was running away.
Clearly it was him then.
But they didn't do anything about it because, like, she's diagnosed with some mental problems, like anxiety and I think depression or something. So the police just kind of dismissed it and, like,
and now they're, like, idiots. So
well, yeah, and then she was like, it's fine, let me see him, and, like, I mean, she wasn't going to press charges, and they really couldn't do anything about it. Because like, if she's not going to press charges, then they kind of had to just be like, well...
And domestic violence cases, like, 9 times out of 10, the women won't leave the guy. Like, they won't.
So, like, they separated them, and then, yeah. So, like, she went missing, and they found her in, I think, Wyoming, where she went missing.
And now he's missing, so it looks definitely like he has a
Well, he showed up, and then, like, he went camping, like, 3 days after that he got back from camping.
That's
like, who goes camping 3 days after you get back from just being camping?
Right. Why would you do that? That's real suspicious. He did it. He had to have done it. And why would he all of a sudden go missing after he got back? He probably got back, and then everyone was saying, like, he did it, and then he was like, oh, shit, let me disappear. Probably. I don't know. That sounds like suspicious.
I don't know, but Dog the Bounty Hunter got involved.
Who's that?
He's some, like, really famous bounty hunter.
And he just finds people, like...
Yeah, he just finds people. He stopped doing it, but, like, he came back for this case because He had a daughter about the same age as Gabby who went missing. And so he knows, like, how the family feels and, like, yeah.
That's so sad. I didn't know all that. I just know about the domestic violence part. I didn't know that she died from it and, like,
oh, yeah, she died.
Because I just saw the video and they were, like, people in the comments on TikTok were, like, dissecting it. Like, look at her. She looks nervous. Look at, like, she's not telling the whole truth. Look at, she's protecting him. Like, that was it. That's all I saw. And then I didn't know the whole story.
Well, when you're in a relationship like that, like, you're not going to tell the whole truth.
Yeah. And you're like, she's omitting. But, yeah, for that part, I'm sure she was. This is before it all went down. Like, I'm sure she was, like, trying to protect him.
And I think that video was like 5 days prior.
Really? But then the police are probably trying to cover it up because they didn't do shit about it, and that makes, like, their jurisdiction look really bad.
They can't do anything about it.
Yeah, they can't, but still, now that it's, like, a death, that makes them look bad, though. You know what I mean?
Well, they're not, like, 100% for sure that Brian did, but, like, now that he was just a person of interest, so, like, they weren't, like...
He's a suspect.
Yeah, he's a suspect, but, like, it doesn't mean that he did it. But now he's disappeared, and everyone's like,
now
okay, now it looks like he actually did it.
Yeah, now definitely red flags. And, like, I mean, yeah, they dismissed it because they couldn't do anything about it, and she has mental health issues, but still, like, now it's going to be a worldwide, like, speculation of, like, why didn't they do anything, you know, like, as to where if it was just a local thing, it probably wouldn't be a big of a deal, but now it's, like, on the internet. And you know what I mean? Like, people are going to be picking up the story and they're going to be talking about it. We're talking about it on, like, TMZ and, like, on the radio stations now. So, like, now it's going to be further investigated. And I think, like, people don't want that attention on their city or, like, on their police department either. So that's probably, like, a big thing, too. So here we are halfway done, and a couple tips. Make sure that you cleanse your client before you start your lash application. Use a primer, and at the end use a bonder. If you don't use a bonder, you can also use saline solution in your mister, and that will help your retention a lot. But I use a bonder, and I also use my nano mister for better retention, and since I've used both of those, my lash game has improved so much. And then, of course, giving a lash bath at the beginning of each appointment and cleansing the lashes with 91% alcohol helps the retention. Can we just take a look at how beautiful her freaking lashes are? I'm literally obsessed with her set. So I used a D-curl on her. I used 0.05s and 0.07s. And then I used 0.15 for the classics. And I used from lengths 12 to 17 on her. So that was my day in the life vlog. I don't have anything else to say except for I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the glam fam. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on newest content. I will see you in my next video.